Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the Jamaican economy is not in a recession. That assessment from the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, at a press briefing today.
Now, the PIOJ's evaluation is usually made public 6 weeks after each quarter. Today's announcement is timely given the clash between government and the opposition about the true state of Jamaica's economy.
On Wednesday, PIOJ Director General Dr. Wayne Henry admitted the Jamaican economy declined for 2 consecutive quarters, June and September 2024, but said other factors have to be considered.
Examining the other official data from Statin on Jamaica's unemployment rate, another widely used economic indicator of a recession, we get a different picture. The unemployment rate for October 2024 is 3.5%. And employers have also lamented challenges and shortages in filling some vacant positions. This suggests that despite the temporary contraction in output, the labor market continues to remain robust and may be considered a lead indicator of a return to growth in the short term. This is also supported by the most recent data on business and consumer confidence levels, which indicate positive sentiments by both consumers and businesses regarding current and future economic prospects. It is therefore the PIOJ's assessment that the Jamaican economy, though facing a downturn in economic output, is not in a recession. However, there remain significant challenges due to hydrological shocks, reflected largely in the fallout in tourism, electricity and water supply, and agriculture, forestry, and fishing.
For the October to December 2024 quarter, preliminary estimates show the goods-producing industry contracted by 4.7% due to lower output in areas such as agriculture. The services industry also contracted by 0.7%. Overall, the economy contracted by 1.8% from October to December 2024. Based on positive indicators in the mining and quarrying sector, things should pick up in the January to March 2025 quarter.
Based on the most recent data and information available, the PIOJ is projecting that the economy will return to positive output performance, that is growth, in the January to March 2025 quarter. We will continue to monitor and track developments in the economy and will update our assessment as new data becomes available.